Husbandry Department based on some inputs which were sent to them from the Divisional Disease Control Lab from Pune, saying that there has been an outbreak of avian flu or bird flu as they are called in areas of Bidar district of Karnataka. And since they had suggested to the Animal Husbandry Department that the import of birds from these areas, especially from Karnataka, should be stopped till the situation gets into control. So based on that input, we had issued an order directing the police, the assistant director transports and others to take steps to see that no birds are entering Goa through the checkpost. So that order was issued somewhere on Thursday, and based on further inputs received from the laboratory or from the Animal Husbandry Department, we will review the order if required. From what we have known is that there are no incidents of human contact, where only the birds have died in Bidar district. So it's not very something to panic about right now. So, but it's a preventive steps anyways, because avian flu is known, bird flu is known to be very contagious. So that's why they have taken preventive steps on that.
So any idea?
We do not have the details of exactly how many birds are coming in, but yes, we did receive reports of birds, vehicles being stopped and sent back. We have not seized any vehicles, they are just sending them back from the state. But exact number is not known because different people are importing it. Different people are taking it in different cities. So we don't have an exact estimate of exactly how many birds are coming.
This is GTV and you're watching Goa TV 24-hour news and entertainment channel.